Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix apps keep crashing on your Samsung Galaxy Android. If you are not able to open any apps and app crashing, then here are the fixes. And the first one is restart your Samsung Galaxy Android. Simply turn off your Samsung Galaxy Android and restart after some times. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issues of your Samsung Galaxy Android. The second one is establish a proper network connection. So turn off your network connection, either Wi-Fi or data connection, and again after some times turn on your network connections and check whether your app crashing issues on your Android fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again swipe down your Samsung Galaxy Android, tap on settings cog from the top right corner. Here scroll down and tap on the settings apps, tap on it. Here you will find all your apps here. Go to your problematic app and from the bottom right corner tap on force stop. Thereafter go to storage on the same page, and here from the bottom of the page tap on clear caches and also clear data. Tap on delete again. So clear your data and caches for the particular app, problematic app, and check whether your app crashing issue is resolved or not. The one more workaround, go to Play Store of your Samsung Galaxy Android and here enable your data. Go to your Play Store. Here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. And here go to manage apps on this device. Tap on manage and go to your particular app which you having issues. Simply select it and update your app. You may select update available and select all your apps in your Android and update all your apps. Sometimes outdated apps may be an issue of crashing issue, so you must update your app. The next workaround to fix this issue is again swipe down your Samsung Galaxy Android, tap on settings cog from the top right corner and here look for storage. Tap on storage and here you must have sufficient storage to run a app proper. So clear unused recycle bin duplicate file large files from your Android, Samsung Galaxy Android, and clear and release extra space to your Samsung Galaxy Android. So empty recycle bin and some other unused apps and release extra space to your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So apply any of these methods explained earlier and fix your issue app crashing on your Samsung Galaxy Android. That's all.